Yeah, hi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Autopilot online. Okay, so I'm going to show you 3 easy ways that you can actually start today. So you can get up and running today and you can do it for free as well. Now, also, if you want to get going even quicker and don't do it on autopilot and you want to start making money online, then you can always check out my #1 recommendation in the description below here and just follow the steps to start making money with that system. And I've made over $1,200 with that already in the last few months. But let's get cracking and let's show you these 3 ways that you can make money on autopilot. Okay, so the first way you can make money is a blog article. And you can do this 2 separate ways. You can either own your own blog or you can do it on another site where you've actually create a blog on that site. Okay, so I've come across to an incognito window here. I just want to show you something of why blogging is so good and you can actually earn on autopilot. Okay, so I've typed in there Colour Street, can you make any money? So we'll just do a quick search on that. And if we scroll down, this is page 1 of Google, past some of the ads, past some of the videos. And if we go right down to here, this is one of my articles that I wrote on an old blog I've got. So if we go quickly to the blog, as you can see here, this is the same blog inside my WordPress blog. And as you can see, it was published back in 2019. So it's like over 2 years old, that is, guys. Now, if you're going to go and try a blogging and you don't know how to actually do it, then I would recommend a site called Wealthy Affiliate. Again, I'll put a link in the description below here where you can go and join as a free member and go and start taking their training. And you can also get your blog up and live the first free session of the training. Okay, so you come into the home page here, just click on training, and you would then click on the first online entrepreneur certification and on the get started level 1, and then you just go through those videos. That will then actually get you up and running with your blog, and you can actually host your blog and everything and use WordPress as your platform on the Wealthy Affiliate platform. So everything is there that you need to get started with the blogging. And obviously you've got all the training here as well, which goes into absolutely everything. You're going to need training on a bit of SEO to help you rank your actual article in the search engines, so then people will see it year after year, just like my one. I'm going to show you a little bit later in this video how you can actually make money with these particular ways. Okay, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to do it all at the same time because it's going to be easier. So but now we're going to go on to method number 2, and that is a YouTube video. Okay, so now if you're thinking YouTube, no, I do not want to be on camera, I couldn't do that. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you a way in which you can actually go and actually create your video so you don't have to be on camera. And I'm going to prove that this works by showing you some of the actual channels that actually don't do this, and they're making thousands of dollars every single month. So stay tuned. YouTube here. This isn't actually my account, it's just a YouTube search. So if I search Go Founders and we click search, and as you can see, I come up number 2 in the rankings. Now, as you can see on this video, I've had actually 17,000 views, and this video was made over a year ago. It's a piece of content that I made ages ago, and now I can make money on this bit of content even on autopilot. Now I don't do anything for it. It's up and running and it's there, and I will continue hopefully to make money on that. Let's just have a quick look at the video analytics inside my account. Here's the same video, and as you can see, even in the last 28 days I have made $22 on this video. So we're doing absolutely nothing, guys. The video's been up there for over a year, and this is obviously the last 28 days. It's actually got me $22 in revenue. And that's going to continue to do that. Now, again, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can go and monetize these videos. Okay, so number 3 on the list is emails, email list. And if you want to do this, you're going to need what we call an autoresponder and an email marketing system. So the one I would recommend, the one I've been using for a number of years now, is called Aweber. Okay, and you can sign up and you can get going today and start sending emails to your prospective buyers. And I'm going to show you again very shortly how you can actually go and earn money from this. Now, all you've got to do, if you want to learn more about Aweber, I will actually put a video up above here, just showing you how you can actually walk through actually to set Aweber up, because it's a little bit technical, but not too bad once you watch the video. That shows you everything you need to know. Make sure you obviously click on the link in the description to check out Aweber, and also then check out the video which shows you how you can actually go and set it all up. Okay, so let's now go and show you and tell you exactly how you're going to be able to monetize your blog articles, your YouTube videos, and your email list. Okay, so let's go and do that. Okay, so let's quickly go over to my blog here, my blog post that's actually ranking on the first page of Google and has been for the last couple of years. And as you can see, it's a really nice, neat article, loads of images and things like that, well laid out. But as you can see, there are links. As you can see, there are links in the actual article itself, and you've also got things like opt-in pages, and you've also got links and that down the side here as well that people can click on. Now, these are all ways that you can obviously get people to click and to monetize your blog. Now, from the word go, you're not going to have enough traffic to actually put ads on your blog. That's a good way that you can actually make money on Autopilot once people keep visiting your blog, and then you get paid for the ads that show up on your blog. But another way is obviously a thing called affiliate marketing, where you can actually go and get affiliate products that would actually suit this particular article, and then when they click on it, it takes them through to an affiliate offer, and then you would obviously get paid a commission on that. So that's the way you would actually monetize your blog. Couple of different ways. You could also have your own product as well, if you do have your own product, and you can link to that as well, and you could sell your own product as well, which again, you're making money on Autopilot once you've actually set and ranked your article on Google. Okay, so if we then look at the GoFounders and the YouTube account, so if we click on the video here, and we'll just pause that. And as you can see, it's got plenty of views, and it was made actually in July 2020, which is about 15 months ago. So if we scroll down, you can actually see here, I've got some links in the description here, and some of these will be links to building my email list, which is where we're going to go and talk about that in a second. But also it's to other products as well. This is to another product that I'm actually promoting at the moment. And if we scroll right the way down and we look at my pinned comments, this is another place where you can actually put links to affiliate marketing products or your own products again. Now, as you build your YouTube account, and like I said, you don't have to have your face on the YouTube account. There are plenty of channels out there that are not actually showing their face on the channel. But once you get up and running and you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then that's when you can actually put ads on the YouTube channel. Now, I've done that about a year ago, and as you can see, I'm starting to earn income on those ads every time that video is shown. Okay, so if you rank your videos and get them ranked in Google as well as YouTube as well, that's a double whammy. So let's just quickly go over to a site called Social Blade. Let's go on a site called Brainy Dose. Okay, so here is their channel here. And as you can see, they have a great channel. They have 1.66 million subscribers. Now, that's not really what you need to look at. What we need to look at is obviously their estimated earnings. So their estimated monthly earnings are between $500 and £9.6 thousand. Okay, so this equates, sorry, 600 pounds to just under £10,000, and they're more likely to going to be nearer to the top end than they are the bottom end. Okay, so they are earning mega money with this channel. So let's just dive over and have a look in YouTube itself. Now, as you can see, they do loads and loads of videos here. And these are getting mega amounts of views, guys. And they're just animated videos. That's all they are. They don't actually show their face. So, like I said before, if you want to go onto YouTube, don't want to show your face, then what I recommend, there's a free webinar I put in the description below here. Check that webinar out. This will show you how you can go and do this in the actual webinar. Okay, so the last thing is obviously the email list. Now, what I would recommend, if you're doing a blog article or you're doing a YouTube video, I would definitely also go and get Aweber, because you can actually start building your list by actually putting links in your blog post, or you can put links in your description and your pinned comments on the YouTube videos. So this means this is a double whammy, guys, because then if they don't actually buy by clicking on your link there, you could then get them into a product and get them into an email campaign, which you can then set up, and then that email campaign goes out automatically, and then you can put more links in the emails for people to click, and also more products that they could go and click on. So not only are they going to go and visit the video or the blog post for a particular product, you could then get them onto your email list and then start promoting other products on Autopilot. So this is how you make money on Autopilot, guys. Okay, so guys, there we are. There are 3 ways that you can go and start today that will make money on Autopilot. Okay, once you've got them all set up, you start getting videos ranked and articles ranked in the search engines and the YouTube search engine, then you could automatically start making money. So remember, guys, I'm making more videos about how to make money. So make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel right now, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time I make a new video. Don't forget to watch this video next, and I will see you on the next video.